dog.
Oh, freak, that big bomb, look out!
Bro, that big thing on the top.
Ah, look out! Look out! Look out!
Still freaking going.
Oh!
Nobody ever. We were that I'm looking at the post. Black post.
It went off too early!
That's pretty sweet.
I know. It's a little too much gas. It didn't work as I suspected, but it still worked. So caught on fire. Yeah. Try. You're burning building. Piece fell off. There goes the first floor. Oh wait, the second floor is going too. There goes the second floor. Oh man. Yep, this wood is very sustainable. Sustainable. Yep, they all popped. Oh. The big boom went off too early. But it's still
supposed to go off?
at the end.
When the thing fell?
It's supposed to go off like I poured too much gas. Dude, it lit again. Yeah, it's lighting back up over there. Now it's ashes. Eat that, Miss Landry. Eat that.
It's just lighting back up. Oh. Oh god.
Yeah, your shoe.
Crappy shoes anyway. God, I give up.
I'll try.